Hi everyone! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ay isa na namang collective love reading para sa inyo. Energy check-in, you and your person. So, timeless reading rin to. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. So, tinan din natin kung ano yung mga stronger signs for this reading as a confirmation. Para kanino po itong reading na to. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Virgo, mga earth signs Okay, and Aries. Taurus, Virgo, Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Okay, can be any sign as long as makaka-resonate kayo. So, let's see. For the collective, ano yung recent past? Ano yung energy ng recent past ng collective? Anong nangyari recent past? The Four of Pentacles, the Empress, and the Tower. Ooh, okay. I feel like meron ditong mga plano na, may mga plans of settling down, getting married, pagsasama. There's also an energy of pregnancy for some of you, or having a baby. So, can be any gender. Pwede kasing yung iba kasi sabihin, lalaki sila, wala silang kakayanang magbuntis. Siyempre, common sense na lang, uy. So, yeah, kasi siyempre, kahit naman na lalaki ka, pwede ka magkaanak, di ba? Oo. Hindi lang ikaw yung magbubuntis. But there can be a pregnancy in this connection in the recent past. Kaya lang may tower dito, no? So, this pregnancy can be unexpected, no? Hindi inaasahan. So ngayon, possible na merong mga hindi inaasahang pagbabago sa mga plano. Okay? So let us see yung current energies. Ano yung current energies ngayon ng connection ng collective sa isa't isa? Current energies. The Five of Cups. Oh my God. Five of Wands. Nag-aaway-away kayo, ha? Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Hindi naman ito magre-resonate para sa lahat. Of course, this is a general reading. But I also see some losses here. Pwede nagkaroon ng miscarriage kung may buntis dito. Or parang feeling niya yung mga pagbabago na yan, no? Like having a baby or the pregnancy itself, naging reason para may magbago sa dynamics ng relationship. Kasi pwedeng meron dito na hindi planado. Na usually kasi ganyan let's say the guy, yung lalaki, wala sa plano niya ang pagbubuntis, pagkakaroon ng anak, no? But, yun, nangyari. Tapos, pwedeng yun yung dahilan ng pag-aaway. Nag-aaway, Na, hindi pa ako ready. O, yun pala, hindi pala ready. Bakit kasi gumanon? Oo. So, nangyayari talaga yun. May mga times talaga hindi tayo ready. Minsan kasi, nadadala tayo doon sa bugso ng ating damdamin. But with the Five of Cups, definitely meron na ritong conflict, may losses, may regrets, may nagsisisi rito, no? With the Knight of Pentacles, pwedeng kadil nyo ay isang Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or yun yung kanyang stronger placements. Para kasing marami pang plano sa buhay, no? Pwedeng pareho kayo, marami pa kayong plano sa buhay, tapos syempre, this is a big obligation, no? Yung pagkakaroon ng anak. Or, oh my God, I also see a message na pwedeng hindi sa relationship nyo ang pagkakaroon ng nabuntis. It's a third party situation. Na naging dahilan ng pag-aaway. Kasi may mga ganun may mga magjowa, no? In a relationship. Tapos, the other person, na-involve sa iba, tapos nabuntis. What is the Five of Cups? Bakit may regrets dito? Ten of Wands. Parang masyado nang mabigat para sa kanya i-handle yung situation, yung relationship, no? What is the Five of Wands? The Magician. Meron dito ang gustong ayusin yung nagiging problema. What is the Knight of Pentacles? The Six of Pentacles. Okay. It seems na parang napaka-specific ng reading na to, no? So, kung hindi ito yung para sa inyo, then don't claim it, of course. But I'm seeing here na parang may nagsisisi rito, especially kung ikaw yung nabuntis, no? Nagsisisi siya, kaya lang parang ang gusto na lang niya is ayusin yung relationship or kahit man lang yung support, financial support sa kanya. Lalo na kasi kung nagtatrabaho to, no, yung let's say yung babae nagtatrabaho, tapos syempre pag buntis, no, maraming magbabago sa hormones, mahirap na proseso 'yon na pinagdadaanan ng mga babae. And pwedeng maapektuhan yung kanyang capabilities na kumita ng pera, no? May times na pwedeng magkasakit, absent, hindi makapasok sa trabaho, and so on. So, it seems na ang wino-workout dito is at least magbigay ng financial support. Okay? So, let's see ano yung feelings. Ano yung feelings ng person, ng collective? Yung person mo the person that you are dealing with. Ano yung feelings niya sa'yo? So, pwedeng reversal yung roles, no? Just take whatever resonates. Ano yung feelings ng person ng collective? The Seven of Pentacles. The Five of Wands. Oh my God, the Devil. Okay. So, some of you, yung person ninyo, no? Siya mismo ang nagiging issue dito sa relationship. Maaring may iba siyang priorities, may iba siyang mga plano, and yung mga changes na nangyayari sa relationship ninyo ay wala sa kanyang plano. Seven of Pentacles. Parang ano to? Eight of Pentacles. Okay. Yeah, I feel like this person is focused sa kanyang career, trabaho, and this person doesn't want na yung tipong subukang ayusin. We'll see. Tingnan natin. What is your feelings? Ano yung energy mo, feelings mo towards your person? Justice. Oh my God. Naghanap ka ng katarungan. The Chariot. The Six of Swords. Oh my God. Okay. Some of you, okay, gusto nyo na lang umalis sa ganitong sitwasyon. Yung tipong, para matapos na, no? You want to move on, you want to move forward, and at the same time, gusto mo rin na to get even, no? Gusto mo rin na makuha yung dinideserve mo, no? Kung ano yung katarungan na yan na gusto mo. Kasi it seems na yung iba sa inyo, ayaw nyo nang ma-stress sa ganitong klaseng situation. Kasi maaring the person that you're dealing with is egotistical or mataas yung pride niya, mataas yung tingin niya sa sarili niya. And parang ikaw yung sinisisi dito sa nangyayari sa inyo, especially kung may involvement na ng pregnancy, no? So, yeah, I think for some of you, gusto nyo na lang na maka-move on at makaalis sa ganyang situation. Ano yung inyong common na feelings, mutual feelings sa relationship? The Hermit. Oh my God. Five of Cups. The High Priestess. Okay, it seems na pareho kayo, hindi nyo na gustong i-share pa yung mga deeper feelings ninyo para sa isa't isa. Kasi the more na sinishare nyo yun sa isa't isa, the more na nasasaktan nyo ang isa't isa. Okay? It's like full of regrets. Na one day, masaya kayo, everything's doing well, and then boom, there's this challenge sa inyo na hindi kayo handa na harapin. Okay? Especially dun nga sa, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng may pregnancy. The Hermit, it's like, parang gusto nyo ng, pareho nyo gusto ng katahimikan, pareho nyo gustong mapag-isa. And with the Five of Cups, pareho kayong nagre-regret sa relationship na to. Okay? And with the High Priestess, I feel like meron kayong mga lessons, life lessons dito sa relationship sa nangyari sa inyo. And yung iba, you are going through a spiritual awakening, nare-realize nyo yung mga bagay na dapat pinaghandaan nyo or mga dapat na iniwasan ninyo. But at least you have learned from this relationship. Okay? Nakilala nyo yung bawat isa on a deeper level at na-realize nyo na, it's not going to work. Hindi magiging maayos yung relationship nyo moving forward. So, let's see yung feelings. Ano yung gusto sabihin? Ano yung feelings ng person mo towards you? Ano yung mga gusto niyang sabihin? Oh my God. Father wounds. My father is a big influence on my behavior now as an adult. I have challenges with connecting to the divine masculine energy within me and externally. So, yeah, I feel like this is a masculine energy, no? So, pwedeng, yun nga, kayo yung buntis or nagkaroon kayo ng challenge sa relationship ninyo na like a responsibility. But specifically talaga, this is a very specific reading, okay? I know hindi lahat makaka-resonate or konti lang makaka-resonate dito, but pwede itong nangyari na sa inyo in the past or pwedeng mangyayari pa lang. So, pwede itong gawin yung parang caution, no? Na mag-ingat, okay? Kasi it seems na the person that you're dealing with is a masculine. So, siya yung may issue, father issues, na pwedeng walang tatay na nag-guide sa kanya nung bata siya, or meron ngang tatay pero hindi nagpakatatay sa kanya. Yung tipong hindi maganda yung naging relationship nila. Okay? And ngayon, usually, itong mga ganitong klaseng guys, it's either maging mabuting ama sila sa anak nila or like the worst, no? Na pwedeng hindi sila talaga maging responsible fathers. Ano yung feelings ng person mo towards you? Still listening. I listen to the music you've shared with me. It helps me to connect with you although we are apart. Parang nire-reminisce niya yung mga yung music na napag-share ninyong dalawa. Yung mga favorite na music ninyo. I'm single. I'm single right now. I'm not attracted to anyone and not looking to get into a relationship at this time. So, I feel like nagkaroon na to ng separation. You are trying to move on and move forward. Same with this person. Pero it seems na parang nagkaroon din siya ng trauma sa relationship nyo. Sa ngayon, hindi siya naghahanap. So like what I mentioned kanina, pwedeng sa iba, merong third-party situation. But for most of you, no, parang mas malaki yung possibility na wala namang involvement ng third party rito. But yun lang, parang nagkaroon ng responsibility unexpected. I think I have seen you in my dreams before. This feeling is strangely pulling me towards you. So napapanaginipan ka niya. Emotional intimacy. I'm afraid to truly open up to you. Being raw and authentic with my emotions is something I'm still working on. See, meron siyang mga emotions na hindi niya kayang sabihin, hindi niya kayang, parang kasi somehow, diba, especially if a person is masculine, hindi siya hindi siya showy sa emotions niya. I don't think I deserve you. Oh my God. Oh, yun na. This person might feel na parang, this person is pushing you away. Na no, I don't deserve you because I am not responsible. Ganon. So, where's this relationship going? Saan papunta tong relationship na to? The King of Cups, the Seven of Swords, the Ace of Swords, the Three of Cups. Okay. King of Cups, Seven of Swords. it seems na, yes, may feelings, may pagmamahal, but I don't think na hindi siya sapat para maging matinong tao to para sa'yo or magpakatino siya sa relationship na to. With the Ace of Swords and the Three of Cups, possible that this person is, ano siya, meron siyang, naghahanap siya ng outlet na kung saan parang makaka-escape siya sa problema niya. Like someone na pwede niyang makausap, like friends, ganyan. Na pwedeng itong person na to friendly, na marami, yung mahilig uminom. Oo, pwedeng happy-happy, ganyan, going out, um, having some drinks nun sa mga kaibigan niya. Parang doon siya mas nagkakaroon ng freedom. But with the Seven of Swords, I feel like medyo alanganin pa yung kanyang intentions towards the relationship. Pwedeng, sa relationship naman, hindi lang emotions ang kailangan, no? Emotional fulfillment, marami. You have the Strength card. So, I feel like kayang-kaya mo namang i-handle to. Whatever na responsibilities to, specifically if there is a pregnancy in this relationship. So, eventually, you will be independent, you will be financially stable. So, kaya mo. Okay? So, if you are in this kind of situation, gawin mo yung sa tingin mong tama, yung makakabuti para sa'yo, then, you can be on your own, no? Kayang-kaya mo yan i-handle. Okay? So, that is your reading for the collective. Thank you so much and goodbye.